Hello, thanks for joining me for my Levoit Core 200S Smart True HEPA filter review. So came from Amazon, comes in a nice box. Opening it up, you're gonna find the instructions right on top. Makes it real easy to find. Just kind of goes through all the buttons and everything else, but they make it really easy to find right when you open the box right there. Going through the packaging. A nice little piece of foam up top, and there you have the Air Purifier just inside. Comes wrapped in a nice piece of plastic, keeps everything nice and clean. You can see the quick start guide they have right on top. Now you take the quick start guide, you open it up, and there are all the buttons on top of the air purifier with all the fan settings, power, time controls, lock, Wi-Fi indicator. To get to the air filter, you just open up the top, you just twist it off, opens right up, and then the air filter comes in bagged form. You just need to then take the bag off and put it back in. This is what it looks like with the bag off. You have the HEPA filter. You also have the charcoal filter on the inside as well. Real easy, just put it right back down inside of the air purifier. Grab the base and you just twist it right back on. That easy. And to turn it off and on, you just press the top button, control the fan speeds, you just press. How much noise does it make? Well, let's find out. This is 3. This is medium. Three is a little noisy, but I let that go throughout the day. I put that usually down in the living room, or when I go to the office, I run it in the house and just let it run. And this is on 1, which is virtually silent. I used 1 in my office as well as the bedroom, and you could barely hear it. And pretty cool, you can use the touch screen, and at night I use the off indicator light, which turns the lights off to the unit, which makes it nice and dark in the bedroom at night. How big is it? Well, it's about the size of a boot, and that's why I kind of put that up there. It's about the size of a normal men's Western boot. Now to get into and create and set it up on your phone, you just use the VSync app, and it has a barcode on the top of the air purifier when you get it. Log in. From there on the VSync app, you can go ahead and click on your phone the different fan settings, which is really, really easy. You can also go in, you can turn it on and off, you can set the timer, you can hit the display again, and turn the indicator lights off as well. Really, really simple app, and really, really simple to download. I actually already had it for an air fryer I had in the house. Now, does it work with Alexa? Alexa, turn living purifier off. Alexa, turn living purifier on. So setting it up with Alexa literally took me about 30 seconds using the VSync app. It walked me through with Alexa, and here you can see it works perfectly. Alexa, turn fan speed up on living purifier. So that's a review of the Levoit Air Purifier. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you.